Apple just made the iPhone 14 event official. The most significant evolution to the iPhone since the last 5 years is coming. The new controversial design, the ridiculous 48 megapixel 8K camera, Apple A16 Bionic, plus the new purple color is looking hella clean in my opinion. There is so much to look forward to. So the official announcement is happening on September 7th, and based on that, we could see the pre-orders kicking off on the 9th, and then the 16th will be the global release. As always, Apple has teased the event in a very interesting manner, once again teasing one of the prime features of their iPhone 14 series. As you can see, it's showing off a galaxy with the tagline "Far Out." The night stars and the tagline is clearly indicating the powerful camera system of the iPhone 14 Pro series that can capture the far out stars in the night sky. By far the biggest feature on the iPhone 14 Pro series is actually not the design but the cameras that's going to blow everyone away. It's the biggest sensor that Apple has ever used on an iPhone to unlock low light night performance, which will let you capture stars and the sky like never before. We could see for the first time a proper astrophotography mode on the iPhone. As usual, all the main features will be exclusive to the iPhone 14 Pro series. We have seen how good it looks on the Pixel devices, so I'm super looking forward to how it's gonna perform on the iPhone 14 Pro series. Also in the news, the iPhone 14 Pro series final accurate dummies are seen in the wild. This is how the punch hole design will look. It's definitely very unique to the iPhone 14 Pro lineup. Now because of this new design, there is a slight change to the screenshot. Yes, a leaked iPhone 14 Pro screenshot reveals that the status bar icons are placed a bit lower than what we have on the iPhone 13 Pro series. Also, the new star color of the whole lineup is going to be the new purple color, and it could actually be much darker than what was initially expected. In my opinion, it looks dope, something different from the recent years, but let me know what you think about this color in the comment section below. Now recently, one source went hands-on with the iPhone 14 Pro series to reveal perhaps the best thing about the iPhone 14 Pro lineup that even Samsung fans appreciate will be the insane battery life. According to the source, the iPhone 14 Pro series could have a mind-blowing battery life as Apple is looking to add more hours to this already ridiculous battery life of the iPhone 13 Pro and the 13 Pro Max. Once again, Apple is going to set a new benchmark when it comes to the flagship battery performance, especially with the new A16 efficiency, bigger battery, and of course, the latest LTPO panels from Samsung. The source also revealed that the hole punch is a very minor improvement over the notch, and people will get used to it pretty quickly once they start using the phone. And lastly, the 14 Pro Max is going to be the thickest iPhone ever, probably the heaviest as well. So there we go. I'm super excited for the official event happening on September 7th. Please be sure to subscribe for all the latest updates and news. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.